With the right sequencing, fastening an exterior door with brick mold is easy to accomplish for a solid, smooth operating installation. Start by setting the first half of a shim combo at each hinge location. Then add sealant or flashing tape to the backside of the brick mold to seal the unit to the WRB once installed. Then set the door on a level sill pan centered in the opening,
and check for plumb and level.
Then drive exterior trim screws through the face of the brick mold to lock its position tight against the building. Then complete the shimming at each hinge point and drive the manufacturer-supplied screws through the hinges to lock the door frame to the rough opening. Finally, shim and fasten the strike side. Installed properly, there should be an even gap between the door and its frame, and the unit is ready for final flashing. On this door, supplied by Provia, pre-made aluminum trim completes the installation for a clean, finished look that's ready for siding.